Hey guys, Ben here from Pax Power Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And normally when there's a Raptor looking truck behind me, it started life as an F-150, but not in this case. This is an actual Raptor R with the 5.2 liter supercharged V8 engine. And just like every other truck owner, Raptor R customers also want their truck to look and perform different. And that's what we did here. So this truck has been upgraded from 700 horsepower to around 1,000 horsepower with our 1000 R package. That is us taking off the 2.6 liter stock blower and adding a 3.8 liter Whipple unit. Definitely moves the power band, makes these make a lot more peak horsepower, and makes sure that you can leave all your buddies with TRXs in the dust. But not only the performance, this customer wanted the truck to look different. The Raptor R looks just like the V6 Raptor in many respects, so we did a few things to change that. Up front, we have an Addictive Desert Design Stealth Fighter bumper that we powder coated and then painted in the body color so it has the matching metal flake. 40-inch curved light bar. We've got some 10-inch strips off to the side. Give a lot of lighting at night and make these with the rigid lights, they look good even when they're not turned on with their cool backlighting. Coming back down the side, in addition to the paint matched bumper, we did the fender flares. So these were satin black. We painted those in gloss black to match the paint. Added some A-pillar lights up here. Coming back, we did a Power Retrax bed cover. That's a pretty cool system we do on a lot of trucks. The painted flares, the painted rock guard. And then coming around to the back, we have the matching ADD Stealth Fighter rear bumper. Again, powder coated that and then painted it to match so that we get the same metal flake throughout. If you've got a Raptor R and you're interested in some of these upgrades, whether it be cosmetic like the painted trim or the bumpers, or the horsepower package with the 3.8 liter Whipple, what it is, the first step, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.